Estoy vergas de cansado, todo puteado. No sé si se alcanza a ver, pero creo que me mordió un pinche vampiro ayer en el puto concierto. ¿Cómo suceden esas cosas, güey? ¿Cómo suceden? Uno no lo entiende, no lo entiende.
And I'm standing right there. How does it feel? I'm trying to figure out just how to deal. Is this real? How does it feel? How does it feel? I'm trying to figure out just how to deal. Is this real? How does it feel? How do I feel?
Another day, alarm screams loud. Life, another day, trying to figure out what's keeping me alive. Surprisingly, today seems just like yesterday. Same characters around, just a different role play. Work all day, driving all around for hope. Cause somehow the more dough I make, the more I'm broke. Bills, priorities, and all the other shit that comes along, starting to sound like the same old song. 24 years of age with an undecided end. Mama's only child, yeah, mama's only friend. Cause unfortunately, at times you got roots you can't cut. That's when music takes over and I huddle in my hut. The studio's all I really got at times, my nirvana. Writing down my everyday to help identify persona. I guess all I'm trying to say is you and I a lot alike. Same track and instrumental, just a different rhyme.
I'm trying to figure out just how to deal. Is this real? How does it feel? How does it feel? I'm trying to figure out just how to deal. Is this real? How does it feel? How do I feel? How does it feel?
I've been infected since a young and I can't help myself. Throwing up verse the limit, can't hold down my words. Be spewing coming up. So nice it is nasty, so banging is busting like benefit. It makes me sick to my stomach and wonder if it was you sitting up in my shoes.
¿Qué pedo, gente? Vine a ver a los Master Plus, pero en lugar de eso está la fiesta carioca. Y no sé por qué le hace tanto a la mamada.